Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your social media with Hootsuite beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your social media with Hootsuite, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. If you don't have an account, visit the Hootsuite website to sign up. Once logged in, go to the account section from the menu. Select security to access the security settings. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device or email for verification. Next, review your connected social media profiles. Remove any accounts that you no longer use or recognize. For the accounts you keep, make sure each has a strong, unique password. Consider using a password manager to help create and store these passwords securely. Periodically review your account activity to spot any unauthorized access. Check for any third-party apps connected to your social media accounts. Revoke access to any apps that seem suspicious or unnecessary. Return to Hootsuite's security section and enable notification settings. This will alert you to any unusual login attempts. Utilize the team feature if you're working with others. Assign roles and permissions carefully to maintain control over your accounts. Scheduled posts can help you manage your content without the risk of losing access. Regularly update your privacy settings on each social media platform. Make sure only trusted individuals can see or interact with your accounts. Lastly, stay informed about the latest security measures in social media. Regularly check Hootsuite's blog for updates on features and best practices. By following these steps, you can enhance your social media security with Hootsuite effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.